everything should come together to become one car. All the different disciplines and team members are talking to each other and have the same common vision of what to do.
As much as we can make a nice shape, it's the color and the materials that really lift it up to that first-class cabin feel.
We were inspired of hotels, the lounge and so we wanted to have this warm feeling, the welcoming, and also the richness in the detailing.
We see these interior designs almost like a Gothenburg opera on the wheel.
I can only imagine how good it's going to be. I can't wait to drive one myself and to sit there and really experience it.
It is bold, it is connected, and it is the next thing.